In the silent depths of the universe, a strange light has begun to glow. Not the fiery burn of a star or the faint reflection of ice, but something deliberate, something that pulses as though it was designed. Astronomers first spotted it while tracking an interstellar traveler named 3I/Atlas. At first it seemed like just another comet passing through, but what the James Webb Space Telescope detected shattered every assumption. This wasn't ordinary reflected sunlight, it was a glow being created. At first, scientists brushed it off. Maybe dust, maybe a glitch. But the light didn't fade. It grew. Its patterns didn't match nature. And when every natural explanation fell apart, only one possibility remained: an artificial source. And that changes everything. So, what exactly did Webb uncover? And why are scientists quietly panicking? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear may rewrite humanity's place in the cosmos. From the moment Atlas was spotted, astronomers knew something was off. Yes, it moved like a comet, but its brightness, a magnitude of 16.4 while still 400 million kilometers away, was too intense for an object that size. Normally, comets that distant are invisible, but Atlas glowed with eerie defiance. Explanations crumbled one by one. It wasn't dust, it wasn't gas. Webb's instruments confirmed this light wasn't reflected, it was emitted. That should be impossible. Natural objects don't shine like stars unless heated to thousands of degrees. Yet Atlas's glow matched nothing in comet models. Instead, it resembled a spotlight in the dark. And spectrographic scans revealed no trace of comet gases at all. No water vapor, no carbon monoxide. Nothing. The only explanation left: the object was generating its own energy, around 10 gigawatts worth. That's the power output of 10 nuclear plants combined. For a natural comet, absurd. But for something engineered, possible. This isn't the first time such theories surfaced. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb once suggested that Oumuamua, another interstellar visitor, could have been an alien probe. He was ridiculed. But now, with Atlas, Loeb and physicist Eric Kito published a model that fits the data far better than natural explanations. Their conclusion? A compact artificial emitter, about 100 meters wide, could generate the exact light profile Webb observed, roughly the size of human spacecraft. So the question becomes, is Atlas a beacon, a power core, or something far stranger? Its movement deepens the mystery. Instead of drifting randomly, Atlas follows the plane of the ecliptic, the same orbital plane as Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. During its closest pass, Earth will be hidden behind the Sun, blind to observation, almost as if its trajectory was designed to avoid detection. And then came something chilling. In the radio band, Webb detected a signal, a rhythmic pulse repeating every 7.2 hours. Not random, not interference. Worse, the frequency matched ranges used by Earth's own secure satellites. The odds of that being chance? Astronomical. Was this just light or communication? And if so, was it speaking to us or through us? Soon researchers noticed Atlas's glow pulsing in binary patterns, structured, repeating intervals resembling early computer code. Astonishingly, parts of the signal matched old Earth computing protocols from the 1970s, almost as if Atlas had been listening to us and was now replying in a language we could understand. And this isn't without precedent. In 1979, US satellites detected a mysterious double flash over the Indian Ocean, long debated as a secret nuclear test, but comparing it to Atlas's signals revealed uncanny similarities. Could Atlas have been here before? Could the 1979 event have been its first visit? The anomalies kept stacking. Atlas left behind ultra-cold trails, darker than space itself, suggesting it wasn't moving through space, but bending space around it. Exactly the kind of phenomenon predicted in warp drive theory. Then Webb observed filament-like trails, not chaotic dust, but symmetrical patterns, almost like a navigation grid. Were they propulsion traces or breadcrumbs marking a path for something else to follow? And then came the most unnerving event, a 47-minute blackout in Webb's data. No malfunction, no interference, just nothing. When the feed resumed, Atlas had shifted its trajectory slightly, as though it had noticed being watched and moved. Even more alarming, its glow began to change. The once golden light shifted blue, sharper, more focused, like a lighthouse beam adjusting itself to match Earth's sensors, almost as though it wanted to be seen. And then governments stepped in. Public web data on Atlas was suddenly restricted. Amateur astronomers who posted images online reported being contacted by representatives. Even NORAD began tracking it. This wasn't just science anymore, it had become a matter of security. Gravity sensors then picked up localized space-time ripples trailing Atlas, not dispersing waves but lingering distortions, as if the object carried a self-contained gravity well. This wasn't just advanced technology, this was control over the fabric of reality itself. And finally, the most chilling discovery of all. Atlas wasn't just glowing, it was reflecting Earth's own signals back at us. Radio, television, radar, all mirrored, but altered, twisted into structured symmetry. It was like hearing our own voice echoed back, but changed. Almost like Atlas was testing us. So what is Atlas? A probe? A beacon? A machine harvesting the solar system? Or something worse? Something performing for us, letting us see just enough to know it's there? One thing is certain, this is not a comet, it is not random, and it is not silent. Because in the vastness of space, 3i Atlas isn't just passing through, it's speaking. And now that we've heard it, the question isn't what is it, but what happens next.